Well, we're going to try and remove that ball joint end there, which as you can see is not in a very accessible sort of a place. So what we'll do is get that down there with the lever. And you can see it there. It's a bit hard. Not even I've got trouble seeing it. Down there, and just pop that off. Now that just pops off, and we'll replace that broken end of the gear lever as soon as we can find it. Okay, so now let's see how our gears work. That should be park up there, and it should crank. Beautiful. Put it into reverse, and whoops, starts in gear. That's no good. I'll have to check that. It is neutral. Fourth. Yeah. Somebody's been playing with the starter switch. It's not going to start because there's no petrol pump. See, it shouldn't start in those gears. Let's turn some lights on so we can see what we're looking at here. It should be neutral. And next one down should be top. Best we have a look at that. Well, I've pulled the inhibitor switch off. That's the switch that stops it starting in gear, and it's obviously seized solid, so I'm going to, oops, there goes the spanner, try and loosen that up. But looking at the track on top of the gear shift there, where there's a little wheel in it, and that's supposed to run along the top of this thing down here. Can't really see it, but that thing there is where it's supposed to run, and nothing's worked on there for years, so we better fix that because that's a safety thing. This is the other end. As you can see, there's a bush missing out of that one too. It should go in that hole there. So we should just reel that down, and there it is. Once they get all cheesy like that, you just scrap the whole thing, put a new end on it, which we'll do right now. And so we're going to do this with us. Just unscrew this. Nope. Okay, got that one off. It's pretty worn out. This one just screws on. Now it goes into the car like so. So that's basically where we want it. Just goes there like that. Once it's in place, I'll tighten that nut up, but in the meantime that can just stay like that. Okay, so that's the bottom bush. That's the one that goes onto the actual gearbox. So now we'll go and put the whole thing together. Let's see if we can make a go of that. I'll just squeeze that into place, and there we go. That's the bottom done. As you can see, it just sort of fits onto the side of the gearbox there. Strange way of doing things, but there's no clip or anything that holds it in place. There's just a moulding inside that nylon bush, and that prevents it sliding off. So it's pretty tight, and they last for about 50 years. Now to fit the top ball joint on is just the reverse of doing it the same way I got it off. I just get this crowbar and then just brace it against the transmission filler tube there, and give it a pop, and there it is, it's on. Here's his fuel feed pump. No leaks, nice and quiet, can't even hear it running, and it's pumping at the right pressure and the right volume, 1 litre in 15 seconds. That's the engine itself, you can hear running away there.